Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to change language on Spotify. Now with the previous versions of Spotify, there was an inbuilt feature to change in the language which you would see on the settings tab. But however, that has been now removed. You can easily change it on the website of spotify.com. But however, in order to change it on your Spotify app on your mobile device, you will need to change the entire language of your phone. That's the only way that you can change the language on your Spotify app. So let me quickly show you how you can do it. Open up your phone settings and open up the language settings on your phone. Mine is inside additional settings and language and input. Tap on languages and change in the language to the language that you want on Spotify as well. Now not every language that you see on your phone would be available on Spotify as well. So I'll just quickly choose Spanish right here. Tap on OK. Now my entire phone's language has been changed. And if you head back to Spotify, you can see the language of Spotify also has been changed from English to now Spanish. If the language that you choose is also available on Spotify, it will also be changed. So that's the only way that you can change your Spotify language on your mobile app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.